Welcome everyone to ITPK. Today we will learn how we can set up DeepSeek R1 model locally on our computer. So the question is why we need to run the DeepSeek locally. We need to run DeepSeek locally because it gives us full control and we don't need to rely on the external servers. And everything will get happen on our computer, which means faster response time and no downtime. And the most important thing is it is private and your data remains safe without going on the internet. So without wasting time, let's get started. Please go to the website ollama.com and download it. We want to download it for Windows. Let's go ahead and download it for Windows. The download is started. Ollama.com is basically the free open source tool that allows us to run large language model on our computers. So until it's downloading, let me pause the video and I will resume it on the installation. I have successfully downloaded the Ollama setup. Let's go ahead and run this setup. Install. This is extracting file and until it's installing, let me pause the video. Okay, so I have installed Ollama and Ollama is running now here and it's asking to click here to get started. So let's go back and please visit this URL where we will download the DeepSeek R1 model. When you reach this website, you will got this option where we have several models that represents the parameter of DeepSeek R1. And if you increase the parameter here, this will use your computer memory accordingly. So lesser the parameter and lesser will be the memory usage. You could select the parameters here according to your system. So in this example, I'm going to select the least parameter, right? That will be suitable for my computer. And once I select the parameter, I can go ahead and copy this query. So go ahead and copy this query after selecting your required parameter. Once you have copied the query, let's go ahead and open PowerShell as an administrator and just go ahead and paste this query here. After running the query, my system is downloading all the required libraries and files to get DeepSeek R1 installed locally. So DeepSeek R1 is successfully installed on my system and in the PowerShell I am able to see here send a message or question mark for help. Now let's go ahead and give this simple query to DeepSeek that write a code of palindrome in Java. Let's go ahead and press enter. And now the thinking process of DeepSeek has been started. DeepSeek is now thinking and analyzing our query. Now finally, think process is complete. Here's an example of Java code for palindrome. Perfect. After that example, DeepSeek started explanation. Method 1 using stack, method 2 manual comparison. At the end, DeepSeek is telling us that both methods work efficiently for checking palindromes in Java. The stack-based approach, method 1, is more concise but maybe less efficient for very long string due to the overhead of using stack object and reversing the string each time. Perfect. So let's see another example. We are asking DeepSeek that please give me 7 tips for healthier life for my blog post with 200 words. So let's go ahead and check this as well. Let's suppose we are the content writer and we need this from DeepSeek. DeepSeek started thinking and after that, DeepSeek started giving me those specific tips that I have asked. So that's it about today's simple and quick tutorial on how to set up DeepSeek R1 on our laptops or computer so that we can run them locally without an internet. After thinking, DeepSeek started giving me those healthier tips, and obviously, this will give me these tips in 200 words. Please note that whenever you wanna run DeepSeek, you have to run this command in your terminal. So, thanks for watching. Keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. ITPK. Take care. Bye.